Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of the day is 时候. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 我们一起读时候，时候。Pay attention here. Ho, we need to light and short. 时候 Very good. Now let's write together. 我们一起写。First, we write 时，竖，横折，横，竖钩，点，然后撇，竖，横折，横，撇，撇，点，时候。时候 have two meaning. First, it means time. We say, what time? 什么时候 or when? 什么时候 So, when is our class? 我们的课是什么时候 And second meaning is the moment of the time. When I was reading, 我读书的时候 When I was a student, 我还是学生的时候 So can you tell me, when is your first time to watch our video? 可以告诉我你第一次看我们的视频是什么时候吗？ Comments below, 在下方评论我哦。拜拜。